and welcome to the last episode of Simply Healing. In this episode, I just want to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. There's no real ending. Healing is a whole lifelong process, you guys, and I'm sure you already know this. Even though things may seem like they're gone, perhaps forever, that's not the case because we always have memories, pictures, and just lasting impressions of things that, carry on. Nothing's ever gone forever. Although it may feel like it, there's always hope and there's always good times to reflect on. We all know it's Valentine's Day very soon. Now is your opportunity to care for yourself the way you would want someone else to care for you. Now is the perfect time to go ahead and treat yourself. If that means doing a face mask, if that means doing a hair mask, making yourself look cute with some makeup, do what makes you feel good. Honestly, we should appreciate love and people's effort every single day. Valentine's Day is just that one sappy, cheesy, corny day out of the year that you can do it publicly and nobody can say anything about it because you're in love. And that's okay and that's fine. But honestly, maybe even after Valentine's Day, how about you continue just showing that same amount of love to everyone, Why don't we keep that up? We kind of need that this year. So light some candles, take yourself out on a date. If you have someone, if you don't have someone, you're perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with you. You are beautiful. Take a trip, go on a ride, do something new, do something exciting. As long as you're being safe and careful and responsible, nobody can tell you anything. Even if you want to treat yourself by giving yourself extra sleep and enjoying your hobby, that's awesome. Whatever makes you feel good, you guys, do that. There's still so many things going on in this world that need more attention than what we give it. Every day is your opportunity to make a difference. In today's video, like I said in the beginning, short, sweet, and to the point. I'm just going to run through a quick recipe of a mini bento box cake. They're like the cute little mini cakes you've been seeing all around the internet. And I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. You do not need a significant other in order to celebrate this holiday or this special day. I don't really know if it's a holiday, but I guess it's a special day. When was the last time you bought yourself flowers or chocolates? Here's your opportunity to go ahead and treat yourself. Thanks for watching. I had a really good time creating these videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Take care, be safe, spread peace, love, and positivity, and I love you very much. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, thumbs up, notifications on, and goodbye for now.
So now I'm asking you to stay. I never thought I'd sound this way. Woke up beside Something good tonight. Often drunk cause we have no money to buy, but we can stay all night to see the city lights.